Hello everyone, welcome from Shopify Community Support. I am Faisal, a full-time Shopify developer and SEO expert. Recently, I am working with AI to integrate in Shopify online store, especially e-commerce business, to make the business process automate and increase the sales automatically and make more revenue. Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about fast sales advice because as a Shopify expert, every day I try to find out the new issue that post from Shopify user, new or old user or regular user on the Shopify community, actually what type of issue they face, and someone searching for advice, someone searching for review, and someone searching for new solution in a specific part of their store design, customization, marketing, or anything relevant Shopify. That's why every day I try to find out the issue and make solution, and finally I upload the solution in my YouTube channel. I'm working as a full-time Shopify developer and SEO expert, and this is my YouTube channel in where I already uploaded almost 1000 video relevant Shopify store design, customization, and SEO. You can watch in here, and I have a good community in my YouTube channel, and all of them are related with e-commerce business and Shopify store design SEO. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about fast sales advice. So you see, this is very recent post in Shopify community, and I just going to start discuss about this. So let's go back in the full screen. So as a Shopify developer and SEO expert, in this video I'm going to guide you how to get your fast sales, because this is very important to get fast sales. It's not only to start making sales, but also it give you motivation, improve your focus, and give you mentally support that your business has been started and now you should increase your sales daily. Okay, so what you have to do as a Shopify store owner to get fast sales? First of all, you have to make sure that your Shopify store set up without any error, all the link working, everything working smoothly, like payment gateways, checkout, shipping system, and also all the product link, page link, collection links, and everything working smoothly. Then you have to write check mark, or you have to keep it as a it's working smoothly. Then second things is that your store loading fast. This is very important for your Shopify business. If your store take too much time to load, then no user will stay too much time to watch your product or visit your store. They instantly go out any others website, because when someone asks or search for any relevant product that you are selling on Google, in Google they not only get only your store recommendation, they also get others store recommendation, even not only Google, also other search engine. So it's very important to check your store, is it fast or slow. Then the another important things, check it on mobile and looks very carefully, is it working on mobile smoothly, like it's responsive or is not, because maximum Shopify store makes sales from mobile device. That's mean maximum Shopify store getting customers from mobile, or mobile user actually buying or purchasing maximum products. So if your store not mobile friendly, then you definitely lose your maximum sales. So what we have to learn still now, check it working smoothly, no error in link, it's fast loading and mobile friendly. Then you have to start working SEO. This is very important to get organically result or organically traffic or target customers in your store from the search result or search engine. So you must have to make sure that your store is SEO friendly, it's recommended by Google, and it's preferable by search engine like Google, Yahoo, Brinks, also others AI platform, because maximum people right now searching for any product or anything in AI instead of search engine like Google. And if AI find your store is ready and everything works smoothly and it's SEO friendly, then they directly recommend you to your customers, your product, and you get direct customers or organic customers from the search result. So it's very important. So when you complete the make your website SEO friendly, then you have to start working on marketing. And now the big things is that you are going to start, or should you start, at campaigns. That's mean paid marketing or free marketing. At the beginning, I must say you should start with organic marketing. You can start organic marketing by SEO, by social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google My Business. If you have local physical office or address, then you must have to start with Google My Business. You have to try to get minimum 100 follower or subscriber on all the individual social media platform like in Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. When you have organically or authentic or real 100 subscriber or follower, then you can start at campaigns. So now your question is that should you hire anyone for ad campaigns? I must say you should not, because you can set up it with AI. Just share your thought and in the Facebook ad campaigns account or ad manager account. In the same way, TikTok ad accounts everywhere. Just set up automate and select the category and select your target audience. In the first ad campaign, you just have to run everything as a test to get the idea about your traffic, customers, audience and their age, behavior, location, everything. And you can use this data for your next ad campaigns. So it's very important for anyone. And here my advice is to learn something by yourself, as AI in here to help you in from everywhere. So this is very good things to run ad campaigns by yourself, because you can create your ad accounts for free by yourself. You don't have to pay $1,000-$2,000 for ad campaigns just for their service, not only your ad cost. So when you run ad campaigns and you do organic marketing, then definitely you get sales. And here you must have to keep focus some things, that your product quality is good, your product pricing is not too high than your competitor, and your product photography, videography is good enough and looks professional. So this is the authentic advice to get your first sales. I confidently believe if you follow everything and do everything step by step continuously, keep consistent, then you must going to make your first sales very soon. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.